Guys, jatuh nu fungkaham. Kahini hai jatuh nu ane tai kasih kita blog by lam sobo. Ini guys, sini on jagawa, barat to mana jagawa. Gori ama tai ini. Ini jara jara tamsanai elaka otong mana kan aku di tong borong oro rifai mana kan phone video mana jara location bahai. Fungkaham jatuh nu fungkaham. Wih, siapa nih jatuh kota mau? Siapa sama kan jatuh? Bisa penuh ke doang, gori ama tai na bagi satu kali. Kaya ang okay, matai na bagi tas ke satu kali ka. Mia nomo sab kaya, nanti ang kaja kaya jagawa, mia. Aku mungkin ini malah orang mata asan. Kemudian bagi fungsi sini. Guys, itu orang banner terpajak. Nai mano nai kaham ke location nai jara dina ni mucung rifai mano jagawa orang ke taske no baba goria mutai kayo riwa ke bike di buti khai di sabori borne ochai phaine jagawa tauna abane next blog o jedino goria mutai yang nai odino phonok sinaita.
Grandpa, tell us more about the last Grandparents' Day at Holy Cross.
Hey guys, jatuh nu hai jalan sago. Kabuk thang ai jong kan papa ni school grandparents day celebration khaiman nai na bagi. Grandparents day. Okay, nai di belai no entertainment ngo, belai no nai tok tok lagu ngo. Ani besar ke participate khaya. Chele jago bo. Okay. Kini siapa chele wo nai no mo songo. Tau khe nong ni nakhala jak. Sab thang dong chung hale ko. Ini. Sal kecang sanja jora saidik jora paicok pakai sekolah program mana leran datu pakai se parent dah kajar dah yang nak hari dua bayi thas tu sini kerana hanya sini kau
dah kaya tak
hari busuktor nai de hingke buskang ni sit pung bajak yak ukulok hingke khaila ko hingke sarik sanjang hangkai ukulok aklak joto pung nai yang matmut joto pung nai tabuk hingke asuk tak baji tong sanjang pasta sanjang choita hingke busuk uno nai sak nai rok bang mane nugri eto ayang kesano guys program start khaina nai kha hingke bagai puila tabuk o song bai o dance bai program no changna nai tong borong guys chair khaila phunung mane busu borok bang khanai de
This invaluable bond, Grandparents' Day is more than just a date on the calendar. It's a
nah hari tong bang mane tong lagi suka lai đường phải nung dia
inspiring spirit of service continue to guide and uplift our community in the Northeast. We sincerely appreciate your presence with us this evening. May our tradition not perfection, but one that of faith, courage and kindness. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts for this beautiful
Para paike akai suka bu bui jaga sungkai Kisah sering su.
Taking a trip down memory lane to revisit the highlights. Remember, our grandparents bravely ventured into the digital world, learned how to use GPS to navigate their way, track their grandchildren's school bus to find out exactly where the bus was and when it would arrive.
Grandpa, tell us more about the last Grandparents' Day at Holy Cross School, Agartala. Miss you too. Hi, Grandpa. Guess what?
Guys, copyright rog by bo jala asuk nai thong gan khna to gan by borong musai phung mane charai rok ke remale yang copyright dog mano opo hinge ta mo hindi gan kaisa dong mane tera mojse pehele se na pa koi haineng na amu man se gan lawa asuk
Grandma, Grandpa, I learned a new rhyme at school today. Want to hear it? That sounds wonderful, dear. We'd love to hear it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want. It's amazing what they can do with animation these days. You know, when we were kids, we didn't
Hingke guys 2-3ta mosamung roknai no jong nogo kifilka baji tongo sanjani 6:30 besi nailailia hingke besi entertainment khaiman bo phunui mali haisi hingke teibo kok borok songrok tongmani jong nailia boring nangjagoi tongkha namasung bo hingke jongbo angbo selama haino jaka bagoi phaiphaikha nogo.